Alright, so I decided to buy some roof racks for my Jeep that are relatively inexpensive. I think they were like 150 bucks or something compared to the normal ones. I'm going to unbox them and see what they're like. They just arrived, I've never seen them, so let's see what they're all about, because I will, if I'm impressed, I will actually put the link and everything to them in my unboxing video and my review video, because I'll do a review on them as well. But let's see what we get inside the box. Okay, so they've come along fairly well packaged, so that's good. And what do we got here? Looks like we've got, well, let's pull one out. So here's one of them. They're wrapped in bubble wrap, so that's okay. Here's what they look like. Let's just move that out of the way. So there's one of the racks, and looks pretty good. Got to admit, that doesn't look half bad. Yeah. Apparently they link into your existing sidebars up on your roof through here, and you can open this up somehow. I'll find it with the instructions. Looking pretty good though, I got to admit. And we also got the instructions. So for the roof rack, this is yeah, these are pretty good. These are like pretty much no-name bars, so we're gonna give them a try and see what's going on. So let's grab this other one out of here. So that's what's in there, the 2 racks. A bunch of bubble wrap. We'll move that out of the way. Looks like we also have some keys here. So let's unstrap that. There's keys for the hand. We'll remove all this stuff. Take these off of here. A knife. Okay. So it looks like we've got 2 sets of keys and an Allen key. So the keys are for the end of the actual racks. So let's take these out, this one out as well, and see how this works. Okay, they're wrapped up pretty darn good, I got to admit. Yeah, not bad so far. As long as they hold up really well, we'll see what happens. I'll get rid of that and that. So there's the other rack, and we got our keys, and we got our Allen key. So somehow or another, yeah, these parts come off and you can screw everything down. And we've got the instructions here and stuff. So my next video about these roof racks, I will do a demonstration and a review of actually installing them. Okay, have a good day. Bye now.